How to download and install Twitch on your mobile device. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to download and install Twitch on your mobile device. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to download and install Twitch on an Android device, but the process will be very similar for other devices. So first, head over to the Play Store. Then tap on the search bar on the top of the screen, and then do a search for Twitch. Tap on the Twitch app in the search results, and then tap on Install. The Twitch app will then be downloaded and installed on your device. Enter in any usernames or passwords that it asks you, and then wait for the process to finish, which could take up to a couple of minutes. Once the installation process is finished, tap on Open to open up the Twitch app. And that's all it takes to download and install Twitch on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.